Okay, so hey y'all, my name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are informed of my next upload. If you're not new here, welcome back and thank you so much for returning. Today I will be making the ancient Indian hair growth oil. It's a herbal oil. I got this recipe from, her name is Dacia. I believe I'm saying that right. I got it from her TikTok. She's on TikTok. So I wanted to start my hair growth journey all over again because, as you guys know, my hair suffered a lot of breakage and I'm just ready to get to waist length. And she was able to do that as well. But she was not gatekeeping and she gave us the ingredients. So yeah, I will be making that today and I'm gonna let it ferment. Let me put this on pause. I'm gonna let it ferment for, she said to do it for 3 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna do it for 4 weeks. Today is Sunday, January. It's July 23rd. So yeah, I'm super excited to finally do this right now. The water is boiling, but I have all the ingredients right here. The ingredients call for a half a cup of rosemary and a half a cup of olive oil. You see the olive oil, but you see the rosemary. This is actually a half a cup, so I am only making one batch tonight, but I will be ordering more rosemary oil as well. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'll let you guys just see me go ahead and put all of the oil and all the herbs and powders into this jar. We are doing the double boil method because we don't want the oil to burn. So I'm boiling a pot of water. Let me show you. So I'm boiling a pot of water, and what I'm doing is I'm going to set this glass jar in there, and then I'll start putting all my ingredients and stuff in there, and yeah, hopefully it'll, you know, just sit in there. But right now we're just gonna put it over here to the side because it's floating. But yeah, so just watch. I sped this part up because the video would have been too long. Everything is listed in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. This is what it's looking like right after taking it off the water, or out the water rather. And I'm just gonna let it cool off before I put the lid on. And then in 4 weeks, that's how much oil it made. I think that might be powder on the outside of it, but yeah, that's my hair growth oil. I can't wait to use it. All right, see y'all in 4 weeks. And so there you have it. I'm basically letting this boil for 15 minutes and then I am going to let it sit. And then after it cools off, I'm going to take it out of the water and I'm going to put it actually in my cabinet because it's a cool, dark place. And I'm just going to let it sit for 4 weeks. So yeah, again, today is July 23rd. So I will see you guys in 4 weeks. Alright y'all, so this video is long overdue. I am going to be dusting my ends on my mini twists. I've had my twist in, it'll be 3 weeks tomorrow. Yeah, I am just going to show you guys what I'm doing basically. I was supposed to get a trim. I'm long overdue for a trim, so in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to dust them myself. So how I do that is, and I just came from the gym, so I'm gonna dust my ends first. I'm gonna take a shower. And I've been taking a shower without anything on my head just so that my hair can absorb all the steam. And then I'm going to show you guys, I'm gonna oil my scalp with my ancient Indian herbal oil that I made myself, that I'm going to be testing out for you guys. I haven't done it yet. It was just ready on the 21st of August. Right now it is August 29th because I've been so busy and I really didn't want to oil my scalp at night because I didn't want it to soak up in my pillow. But since it's long overdue, I'm gonna do it anyway after my fresh cut so that my ends will look really, really good. Right now I'm gonna show you through my shirt what my ends is looking like. And I'm also going to be moisturizing with, I'm going to use my Shavy Hair Growth Collection by Design Essentials. And then I'm going to seal it in with my homemade oil. I don't store it in here. I just pour it, I keep it stored in a glass jar, but I couldn't find anything glass yet. I got to order it or whatever, but this will do for now. I'm not going to use all of this, but I'll pour it back inside of this glass when I'm done. But I'm just gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let you guys see or watch me dust my ends. I'm gonna do it on dry hair just so that my hair is trimmed or kind of in a stretch state. So I'm just gonna take this much off. So that's about an inch, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do one by one. Make it easier for myself. Just keep pulling them down as I go. Also, another thing, you guys want to make sure you're using shears. Anything other than shears can cause more split ends. So just be mindful of that. Like I said, I'm just guesstimating that I'm cutting about an inch off. This will just hold you over until your next professional trim. You rather do this than to have split ends grow. So you guys let me know, comment below if this helps you, if you're going to try it, if you want to continue seeing more videos through my hair growth journey. But yeah, if you made it this far, I want to thank y'all for actually, you know, watching it all the way through, because when you watch the video all the way through, it definitely helps us, you know, upcoming YouTubers. So yeah, this is just me going through each twist and I'm bringing it forward because my hair is long enough, and cutting it. So excuse the funny faces that you guys are seeing right now, and don't mind my shirt. I just got done working out. This is a workout shirt. Okay, you guys, so I guesstimated that I cut about an inch off of my twists. This will suffice until I get to my lady who trims my hair. But this is all the hair that I trimmed or dusted. Let's say dusted. I dusted my ends. So I feel like they look a lot better. And now I'm about to shower, again without a shower cap so that the steam can open up my pores, and then I will be applying the Design Essentials Braid and Cream. What is this? Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream, and then following up with the foam mousse, and then my handy dandy hair growth oil that I will have available for purchase soon. So yeah, I'll be back, you guys. So I just got out the shower and now it's time to apply the cream. Now I'm not gonna do too much, just that, and then mainly focusing on my ends. So here's what it's looking like before. I wore a dark shirt. I probably shouldn't have done that, but Hey, it is what it is. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna use a little bit more. And taking some mousse and juicing up those ends. And also my top, because why not? Again, it's been 3 weeks since I've had my twists in, and no, they are not trying to lock up on me. For like a good week, I had it up in a bun. Those ends looking really, really good. And now the oil, focusing on my ends first. Not too much. I'm about to go to sleep, so I'm not going to like go through my parts or anything. I'm just putting it on my hands and working it in like that. Usually I like to flip my head over and massage it for like 2 to 5 minutes. But for demonstrating purposes, I'm not going to do that right now. But let's see. My ends, here they are. They feel real healthy, looking real healthy. I'm happy. I'm happy, my hair is happy. We good over here. I've been wearing my hair on the side like this. So this is what she's looking like. Hopefully it's good lighting. Hopefully you guys can see her. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna turn around just in case. This is what she's looking like. Oh yes, my shirt's dark. Sorry y'all. Sorry. But yep, so that's what I do to moisturize my twists, my mini twists while they're in my hair, for length retention. I like to do my hair in my mini twist at least once a year and just douse it in all kinds of oils, whatever, moisturizing lotions, you know what I'm saying? Just to feed her, you know, moisturize, keep her healthy and strong. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.